Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Epos Expand Vision 1 webcam. This sleek, compact device promises to deliver high-quality video and audio performance without breaking the bank. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Let's kick things off with the design. The Epos Expand Vision 1 impresses with its compact form factor, constructed mainly from robust CNC machined aluminum. This not only gives it a premium feel but also ensures durability, making it suitable for travel. It comes neatly packed in a hard shell case, which is a nice touch for portability. The mount, though basic, is sturdy and grips well on both thin laptops and thicker desktop monitors. However, it lacks lateral adjustment, which might be a downside for some users with specific setup needs. Moving on to the core features, the video and audio quality. The Vision 1 boasts a 4K resolution capability at 60 frames per second, which is impressive at this price point. While it doesn't quite reach the true 4K mark in terms of pixel count, the visuals are sharp and clear. Perfect for both work meetings and casual streaming. The webcam features a 7-element low distortion lens, offering a wide field of view with decent depth of field. It supports digital zoom and pan, tilt adjustments via its software, allowing for customization depending on your setup. Now, onto audio. The built-in omnidirectional microphones deliver clean, crisp sound with excellent noise and echo cancellation. They pick up sound from a wide range, making it ideal for personal use in smaller meeting rooms. Just be mindful of the lack of control over microphone sensitivity in some applications. Epos provides its own software, Epos Connect, which is lightweight and user-friendly. It allows for easy management of the webcam settings, including brightness, contrast, and white balance adjustments. Firmware updates are straightforward and ensure the webcam stays up to date with the latest improvements. Compatibility-wise, the Vision 1 works seamlessly with both PC and Mac OS X platforms, as well as popular video conferencing tools like Zoom and Microsoft Teams. However, it's worth noting that while it supports 4K resolution, many of these platforms currently limit streaming to 1080p, which might affect your intended use. In terms of performance, the Vision 1 performs admirably across various applications. Whether you're using it for daily work meetings or occasional streaming sessions, it maintains consistent video quality and reliable audio pickup. It does run slightly warm during prolonged use, possibly due to its compact design, but this hasn't posed any significant issues. So, should you consider buying the Epos Expand Vision 1? If you're looking for a versatile 4K webcam that balances performance and affordability, this could be an excellent choice. It's perfect for both work and personal use, offering solid video and audio quality with convenient portability. However, if you prioritize absolute 4K streaming capabilities or need advanced mount adjustments, you might want to explore higher-end options. Overall, the Vision 1 earns its place as a dependable jack-of-all-trades webcam in the mid-range market. That wraps up our review of the Epos Expand Vision 1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.